Welcome back to the channel. This is Valone's RC Hobby, and guys, what do I got in store for you today? Well, I got a DEERC, the 9200E. It was sent to me by DEERC from Amazon, and they said, hey, would you mind doing a video about our car and doing a review? And I'm like, sure, send it on over. So I do thank you, DEERC, for sending me this truck to review. Pretty cool truck. They say 1/10 scale model truck, 4-wheel drive, and for about $100, you're getting a pretty decent platform, I guess. You know, it's got a bunch of plastic on it, but what I did notice when I took it out of the box is I was still thrown off with the body because it has blue and white on the box. I'm like, oh, that's a cool looking truck. And I'm like, I didn't get the blue and white. I would have really liked that. But then I just realized, boom, there's two bodies here. So there's the blue and white. Go figure. But that's pretty cool. They give you two bodies. They actually give you two batteries. These look like lithium-ion batteries. And 1800 milliamp, 7.4 volt. There's two of those in here. They also give you a little bit of a toolkit. So you got your basic charger in here. You got a little screwdriver. You got your basic wrench in here. And there's some extra parts like extra pins and nuts and wheel nuts and things like that. So again, an entry-level truck, something to get into the hobby with. $100, two bodies, two batteries. You got some tools. You got a 2.4 gigahertz controller. Again, very basic controller. You do have a steering trim and a speed switch. So basically what that is you can dial in how fast you want the car to go. They are saying 48 kilometers an hour. That equates to about 30 miles an hour. We'll test that out. We'll see if that's for real. You know, a lot of these entry-level trucks, they say things on the box that are just not, you know, actually there. But I guess this gets the job done. You do have a foam wheel on it. It's very light. I mean, it's just like nothing to these things. And looks like it takes 3 AA batteries on this one. So that's what you're going to have to supply. But yeah, not too bad. 2.4 gigahertz. You're ready to go. You got your instructions here. DEERC. And let's see here. Get close here for you so you can see. At least it's got a parts list here so you can get some parts if you have to. It probably might be a little problematic to get some parts, but I'm sure you can get this stuff online. Either on Amazon. So links are in the description below this video where you can buy this car. So if you did want to get this car, again, they say 1/10 scale model. It's probably more like a 1/12 scale. But pretty cool truck. You do have some metal dog bones here, and you do have the cups. Your cups outside your diffs are steel as well. Let's take the body off. And here's your layout. Pretty basic layout. And you see this on a lot of other cars like the Zinalong or the Hosum trucks. This is kind of similar to that. Got a pretty beefy bumper here. And it probably takes some impact. There's some flex here. Some of your links here are kind of flexible. But again, $100. You got a small servo here. I think that's like I think they said the 2 kg servo. Again, 2 batteries that you have. Has a Dean's connection, so that's good. And it looks like a 540 can sized brushed motor. I don't know, you know, as far as, you know, the turns or the RPMs are on these motors. So they really don't list that on their website or on the sale page for this, but got a heat sink on it. So it looks like you got your 2-in-1 ESC. So which means is the receiver and the ESC are in one unit. And it does look like the servo is a 5-wire servo. So if you did want to upgrade the servo, you're going to have to probably change your electronics here if you wanted to upgrade anything to a brushless system or something like that. So, but yeah, not a bad platform. You know, we'll see how it does. It does have a center body brace here. Tires feel okay. I guess in this price range, you know, I don't feel any foam in here. So, but at least they're, I saw in another previous video, another version of this car has some flat spots in the tires. These do not. So, but yeah, DEERC, thank you again for bringing us this car for us to review. They do say oil-filled shocks. Nah, seems kind of bouncy. But maybe if you open them up, if there's somewhat of a bladder in there, you know, maybe you can put some oil in there. They say there's metal gears in the diffs, so that's pretty cool too. Monster tires, they say 1/10 scale. 8 and up, 4-wheel drive, lithium battery, shock absorbers. Yeah, they say metal diffs right here on the box, if you want to check that out right there. Metal diffs, 540 motor. Yeah, so entry-level car again, guys, and something that, you know, to jump in on the hobby with. You're not going to break the bank. And this one comes with 2 different bodies. and 2 batteries. You got your controller, you got your charger, you're ready to go. This is pretty much ready to go. I think the charger, they said about 3 hours to charge your batteries. So it's always good, I say, to charge up both batteries so you have some lifetime. I think they said you get about 40 minutes of runtime if you charge both batteries and you want to run it in sync or something. Yeah, pretty cute looking truck. I do like this. At least with DRC too, they're offering some sort of a warranty or an extended warranty that you could get. And they have 24/7 customer service. They have a customer service phone number and an email. So that's pretty good. And there's a lot of these trucks that are kind of a low brand or a cheaper brand. You really can't talk to anybody. So when it comes to finding parts for these, it might be a little difficult. But I think with this company, you could probably find most of the parts on Amazon. And there are a few other companies that are making this kind of truck, so you might be able to swap. That sort of thing. So, but why don't we take this for a rip and see what this guy does? I'm thinking this is great for an 8-year-old kid to jump in on. So before we do, please be sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'm bringing you RC content like this each and every week. So hit that button, hit the bell, so you get notified when I launch a new video. All right, guys, let's go outside. All right, guys, so the DRC, I have my GPS on top of the car. Let's do a speed run first and see what she does. And then we can go rumbling around this platform we have here in my yard. And I got a couple jumps out here for you. So let's see what she does. And but I'm interested to see what speed it gets, because they did say about 30 miles an hour. So I'm not thinking 30. I'm thinking more like 20, 25 probably. But let's see. All right, so definitely not 30. Let's see, a couple passes. All right, definitely not 30, but let's see. Steering trim. The steering's a little sticky. Take a look. Yeah, see, there you go. 17 miles an hour. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yep, that's it. 17 miles an hour. That's about right. It didn't even hit 20. So, yeah. All right. It's a cool looking truck. I like the blue and the white and the flames. All right, come on in again here. Oh, got to 18 that time. All right, 18 miles an hour. So it's getting up there. But I think that's about it, guys. So 18 miles an hour on this car. And I say we go out in the dirt here and go off some jumps. Not bad off-road. Oh. Perfect for a kid. Good stuff. Do some jumps. Boom. Oh, that's it. Knocking around. Nice. Pretty cool. Perfect beginner level. 8-year-old, 9-year-old, 10-year-old. Could probably handle this car without a problem. Try the big jump. Let's try the big jump. Nice, that was a good one. Tires aren't the most grippy, they kind of slide a bit, but try to get a shot this way for you guys. Oh, look at that. Nice. Heard that sucker slap. Oh, that's pretty cool. Not not a bad little jumper. Shocks definitely need oil, I would say. But again, it's a beginner's truck, so. Nice. Very cool. All right. I like it. I wonder how it would do brushless. I was curious to see. Nice. Well, she's definitely a jumper. Look at that little guy. Not too bad. It's dramatic. The top. Oh, look at the body. Boom. Cracked the body. Not too bad. Yeah, $100. 2 bodies, 2 batteries. Okay. I'll do some donuts for you. All right. Nice. Look at that one. All right, that was cool. Oh my God. Ah. Thankfully we got 2 bodies, right? All right, very cool, guys. DRC, the 9200E, pretty cool car. Definitely beginner's truck, nothing too fast, great for a little kid. And hope you guys enjoyed that review. So far it seems like it took a little bit of abuse off those jumps. Chassis looks okay. Yeah, everything looks cool. The body broke, of course, but you know what you could do is, here's a tip, you know, before you go bashing, you know, maybe coat the bottom of this underneath the body with some duct tape or the black Gorilla tape, which is good stuff, and you can protect the body from tearing like this, because this is kind of a flimsy body. This isn't very protective, you know, it's not very strong rather. So yeah. All right, guys, Valone's RC Hobby. Please be sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll be bringing you RC content like this each and every week. Hope you enjoyed that review. I'll see you next time.